Hey guys, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you another one of the 2020 Ram 1500 models we have here on the lot. We're going to take a quick walk around this unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this truck has to offer, including some of the great aftermarket accessories that our service and parts team have added. So just to take a quick look at the exterior of this 2020 Ram 1500. So this truck's got a lot of great features packed into it. As I mentioned, it also does have a great list of aftermarket accessories included on the unit as well. You can see it is equipped with a set of fuel rims as well as an upgraded set of Toyo tires. Now the unit itself does have your 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine equipped on it, so it offers plenty of power and performance. Coming around towards the back of the truck here, it is also equipped with your Tuxedo tonneau cover, so great accessory to help you keep all your cargo and gear secured while on the go. Now the truck is equipped with your backup camera as well as your rear park assist, so you can see those sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your front park assist on the unit as well. Now one of the last accessories included on the unit, it is also equipped with a lift kit. So if you're looking for a truck with a little bit of a different look and something a little bit more upgraded, this could be the great truck for you. Just to check out some of the features inside now. Now the truck is in the crew cab style, and with the new Ram 1500 redesign, they added extra space in the back seat so your passengers can sit quite comfortably. There's plenty of legroom for them back there, as you can see there. Now the seats themselves are a leather seat. Again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top you do have your dual pane panoramic sunroof. And just to check out some of the features quickly in the back here. So you do have your USB ports back there. So again, just a few more great features to help keep your passengers kind of hooked up and charged while on the go. So just to check out some of the features up front. So you do have a very user-friendly touchscreen display media center up here. It is packed with a lot of great features. You do have all your kind of audio media features built in there, your climate control features, your heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel options, just some of the other apps and settings for the unit equipped there, your navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, and again just some of your other general settings. So a lot of great features packed right into the touchscreen display area. Just below that you do have access again to all your climate control options, again very easily accessible in through there. Your USB ports just in behind there. Now the center console areas in the Ram 1500 models are great. They've got plenty of space in there for you to store all your extra gear, kind of organized while on the go. The unit is also equipped with your keyless entry feature. It does have a remote start as well, so again another great perk that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to your cruise control options in on there, your Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel you have access to your audio media controls, so you can safely keep your hands on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. So that's just kind of a quick overview of what this Ram 1500 has to offer. Again, it's got a great blend of kind of aftermarket accessories added to it to give it a little more of a unique look, as well as the features included on the unit to give you all that power, performance, and dependability that you expect in a vehicle. If you have any other questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call at 780-826-2999 or visit us online at www.bonnyvilledodge.com.